Hi everyone, I'm Julie Coughlin with the University of Hawaii at Manoa, College of Tropical Agriculture and Human Resources, and I'm with the IR-4 program. IR-4 research is conducted to help growers gain access to pesticide products needed to control their crop pests. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our efforts to register fungicide products for coffee leaf rust control. But before I discuss that, I want to give a brief overview of the registration process. There are several items needed in this process that the IR-4 staff help to coordinate, and these include identifying potential products to control the pest, obtaining approval from the manufacturer or registrant. We evaluate the fit with IPM principles. We generate crop safety, efficacy, and residue data under the intended use, and IR-4 provides regulatory expertise. They prepare reports that are submitted to EPA, and this can take tens of thousands of dollars and 3 to 5 years or more to complete. And what happens in those 3 to 5 years? Well, prior to the first year, we work with the pesticide registrants and university and other researchers to identify potential pesticides for the pest problem. We work with our stakeholders to nominate projects, and the pesticide registrant is consulted to determine if they support the project and any additional data that may be required. IR-4 prioritizes the projects nationally, and I advocate for important projects for Hawaii. In year one, we conduct any needed crop safety and efficacy trials. Crop safety trials are just testing to see if the product harms the crop. Does it burn the leaves, stunt the growth? Efficacy trials are testing whether the product controls the target pest. We also conduct pesticide residue trials to provide EPA with data indicating the amount of pesticide remaining in or on the crop at harvest. The samples generated in the residue trials are then moved to a laboratory for analysis. In year two, the laboratory analysis is conducted and laboratory summary reports are generated. In year three, IR-4 summarizes the field and the lab data, and they prepare a petition that's submitted to the US EPA. In year three and beyond, the EPA assesses the data and the product use and makes decisions whether to approve the new use and the residue tolerance level. If approved, the registrant will add the new use to their pesticide label. And then the label is approved by our Department of Agriculture, and at that point, the farmer can use the pesticide on their crop. Moving on to fungicides to control coffee leaf rust. We're working on 7 fungicide products. Quadris Extra is our oldest project. We started in 2017 because, we wanted to have a product registered if and when CLR arrived in the islands. And according to the timeline that I described, this product should already be registered. But there were some delays due to Hurricane Maria. We lost a couple of field trials in Puerto Rico that had to be repeated, and we had some lab delays due to COVID shutdowns. But all the work has been completed, and right now the data submission to EPA is scheduled for February, so this month. Following the EPA and approval of this product, Syngenta has indicated that they will support special local needs labeling. Preaxarzemium is the product that was approved for the Section 18 emergency use. The efficacy and crop safety data trials have been completed, and the petition was submitted to EPA in December of 2021. So review is expected to be completed by May of 2023. Approach Prima, another combination product. We have a 1 year of efficacy and crop safety trials completed, and we will include that in our trials this year. We are also scheduled to conduct field residue trials for this product this year. Apruvia Top is another combo product. We've completed 1 year of efficacy and crop safety trials, and we will conduct another trial this year. Field residue trials will be prioritized for this product in 2023. Diethane is an older chemistry that we're looking at because it has a completely different mode of action from the other fungicides we were working on. And so it will be a useful rotational tool with the combination products for resistance management. We conducted efficacy and crop safety trials this past year, and the project right now is currently on hold because EPA is conducting a registration review of mancozeb, the active ingredient. Once the review is complete, we can assess whether any new uses will be allowed. We also conducted efficacy and crop safety trials with Excalia and pyraziflumid. These are newer products, and we plan to include these in our field trials this year. I'm currently preparing the report for the efficacy trial that we conducted this past year, in 2021, and I'll share my results as soon as I have that complete. All of the products did demonstrate good efficacy. Visually, they all looked really good. So, thank you all for listening, and please visit the IR4 website to learn more about the IR4 project. Thank you.